भारतामध्ये तंत्रज्ञान येऊन काही वर्ष लोटली. भारतामध्ये तंत्रज्ञान क्षेत्रात उंच भरारी घेणारी अशी अनेक व्यक्तिमत्व आहेत. त्यातलंच एक महत्त्वाचं व्यक्तिमत्व म्हणजे श्री हरीशजी मेहता, नॅस्कॉम या संस्थेचे संस्थापक अध्यक्ष. त्यांच्या द मॅव्हरिक इफेक्ट या पुस्तकाचा मराठी भाषांतर म्हणजे अतुलनीय हे प्रकाशित झालं आणि आता यानंतर अनेक वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांमध्ये अतुलनीयचं प्रकाशन होणार आहे. अर्थात हे पुस्तक तंत्रज्ञान क्षेत्राशी निगडीत प्रत्येक व्यक्तीबद्दल असलं तरी विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी यामध्ये काय बरं खास सूचना आहेत किंवा एखादा व्यवसाय थाटायचा असेल तर नक्की आपण काय निवडावं काय निवडू नये याची केलेली एक सुंदर चाचणी सुद्धा आपल्याला अतुलनीयमध्ये नक्की सापडू शकते. या पुस्तकाचं संपूर्ण केलेलं विवेचन ऐकणार आहोत आपण SP मंडळीच्या वेलिंकर इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट अँड रिसर्चचे अग्रेसर नेतृत्व असलेले प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर उदय साळुंखे यांच्याकडनं.
Harish has mentioned in author's note he was inspired by nature and seek lessons from the nature of nature. That the classroom is not four walls defined by the regulators. Classroom is far beyond four walls. And this entire story of NASSCOM is that collaboration, is that we spirit which is being exhibited by Harishji and his team. And this book I shared with my faculty colleagues that we should have a 2-hour, 3-hour deliberation only on this book. The one of the first chapter which is talking about a tale of the two countries, in that the one of the takeaway which is build conviction in ideas even when external validation is absent. Lot of time you may not have any benchmark outside, you may not have any evidences, but that has to come from within. And that kind of aspect, that kind of conviction, when he has initiated, I'm sure in Harish's office, when the NASSCOM took a birth, so that actually aspect which is very much convincing for me. What will take for India to become the Sone ki Chidiya, the golden bird, once again, NASSCOM acted like a constellation binder, aligning people, talent, ideas, and policies into a shared direction. And final one is anyone can be a firefly. And with this, I'm sure there is so much of learning curve for all of us as a learner in whatever role we must be playing in the society or in the educational institution, maybe in the companies. But this book would be, in my opinion, would be a phenomenal transformational for anybody's life.